Hey there, here's what's new in Diffusion 6.5. This release, codenamed Peter, includes features to make it trivial to build your intelligent data mesh across any distance and secure it with enterprise-grade access control. First up, remote topic views. Remote topic views are the cornerstone to building an intelligent data mesh, where the data that's delivered can be configured on the fly and delivers only the data the consumer needs. Let's take a look. First, we tell our local server about the remote server. We shall call this remote server Acme. Next, we enter its location and some suitable credentials. We're using a server in Diffusion Cloud in this example, and you can also connect to Diffusion 6.5 deployed to your own infrastructure. Next, we write our topic view specification. This wires up topic FX from the Acme server to local topic prices Acme FX, so that updates to Acme's data are visible locally and immediately. Let's see the results. That's the new reference topic. Let's subscribe to the branch it's on. Like that, we have a view on source topics from a remote server. Remote servers can be used in combination with all other topic view features, so we can map whole branches from a remote server, merge them into a single branch, name them according to their content, extract part of the topic, and throttle the topic. In this case, we shall use the expand directive to divide the JSON object within the source topic into individual reference topics. We edit the topic view specification and add an expand directive to it. Let's see the difference that makes. Now, the single source topic has been expanded into many reference topics, making it easier to subscribe to exactly the currency pairs that you want. Here you can see the live prices broken down by their currency pair name. Using remote topic views, it's trivial to build your intelligent data mesh and design a solution which ensures the current data is available where and when it's needed, regardless of the geography or the network bandwidth separating producer from consumer. Subscriptions are now updated on the fly when path permissions are changed. Previously, changes made to a role only took effect on connected sessions if they re-authenticated. In version 6.5, changes to a role's permissions can immediately change the topics to which a session is subscribed. Let's take a look. Here we are logged in as Bob. Bob is a customer from Acme Core, and he has permissions to browse and subscribe to Tier 2. Let's subscribe Bob to that price. Bob is subscribed to one topic. Now let's change the Acme customer's role and widen the permissions. This browser is logged in as admin, and we'll use it to extend permission to Acme customers for topics on the branch Tiers 1. Let's bring in Bob's browser to see the immediate effect of the permission change. See how Bob was immediately subscribed to topics in Tier 1. Now you can immediately change the data that individual consumers are allowed to receive. Let's undo that. We edit the role to remove permission to the Tiers 1 branch. And now Bob is back to where he was. Combined with Diffusion's scaling to millions of path permissions, this feature delivers enterprise-grade access control. Delayed topic views are an easy way to share real data without eroding the value of your real-time service. And now you can do it dynamically with a single line of code. Looking again at those FX prices, let's quickly build a delayed feed of real prices. Let's call this free prices. As it stands, this copies the prices verbatim. Now let's introduce that delay. We'll change the delay from 10 minutes to 5 seconds. Let's see what that looks like. Like that, we've created a delayed feed of real data with a single line of code. Now in this demo, we've chosen a 5-second delay, but it can range dynamically from 1 second to many days. Let's see that delay in action. Now we subscribe to these two topics to see their live values side by side. Looking at the ISO string field within, there's a clear 5-second delay between the premium data and the data that's ideal for incentivizing prospects. But that's not all. Diffusion 6.5 also includes the JavaScript client gets shared sessions, so you can share your session and its subscriptions between browser tabs. Request response messaging is now cluster aware. This means you need only wire up your message handler to one Diffusion server in the cluster for it to receive messaging from any client session anywhere else throughout the cluster. Path permissions now scale into the millions, so you can individually tailor the permissions of every one of your topics. With 6.5, you can configure your server connectors to accept client sessions only when your server is ready and has a full topic tree. Create a Diffusion Cloud instance at diffusion.cloud or download it from push.technology. See you in October for the 6.6 preview release.